Hey guys, with another one. Number 6. That's cool. That's from a famous Shakespeare thing, isn't it? It should say on it what it is. Can you read that? I can't read it. 30 bucks is all its money though. Some spoons. Oh, cool.
You can open that up. She's in really good condition.
Some joffles. Joffies, what do they call it? I scored some of them the other day. Look at these guys.
It's the one for that one.
Who are the gollies?
It's $10.
Yeah, it's the same one though. It's the same one that matches the numbers on the box.
Yeah, that's him. Yeah.
I'll grab it.
I like it. You can carry it, but
Yeah. Because the old one, I used it on me tinny. So yeah.
You think more of the people outside would have come inside, wouldn't you? Oh, they're cool. Glass from the early pokies. Should get one of these for Dan. Hey, Dan. You should buy one of these instead of putting your money in the pokies. I shouldn't say that. You've given up now. You've learned from your lesson. That's a job lot, buddy. Is there silver? That's cool.
No Rock Lee today, mate.
No, we went there. Yeah,
Was it raining?
Yeah.
It was.
No, it was cancelled.
Yeah, because it was raining.
Wasn't raining when we got there.
No?
No.
Wonder why they cancelled that.
Don't know. We got a message 4:40 in the morning
Hey.
saying it was cancelled. But we didn't get that until we got to Rockley. Craig, who normally does the kombucha market, he come here and he's like, it's going to rain here. It's right. They're all packing up out there now.
Are they?
Yeah, man.
Oh, God,
Yeah,
already.
yeah, it's raining.
Oh, is it raining?
Yeah, yeah. It's that rain that gets everything wet, but it's not really raining, you know.
That's a shame.
Yeah, it is a shame.
Bloody hell. Well, lucky that they had the 2 hours even up.
That's what I said. You had a couple of hours. There should be more in here. You thought this would have been full.
Yeah, I think it's the one above it.
Oh, very light. That's not bad. For 45 bucks.
No, 145.
Oh. What do they got on these? Because there was a heap of this come in the other day, wasn't there? Did you see all this come in? The Bunnekins? It's a bit of mature. Heavy. EP. Some beagles. Simo. Thanks.
He bought a bag of fucking
Thanks, did he?
Yeah.
Well, if we see him, he'll be coming in here in a minute. Can't be far behind us, surely. Look at that collection. I used to collect them for about 2 years. I went through a stage of buying them for $1 at every garage sale I ever found them at. No, they're not good. Most of what I buy is not good, Scoob. So shut up. You're so mean. Jesus, lots of gollies here in there. And Jen, you'd love this joint.
And yeah, don't forget to bring that thing of jewellery. Okay, bye.
Want me another one?
You get two?
Oh, we know the Nambour. We booked in the Nambour one. But this one, no.
What's that one?
No. It's got the Nambour one. Yeah, we'll take one. Yeah, we could do that. 12th of May.
Yeah.
Hey. So, coffee out that way, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Some trains. Oh, Charles. Are they house?
Russ.
Yeah, that's what I said.
They probably are.
No.
Look up the pants of those dogs.
Looking to see if they're Russ.
I have no idea.
Well, RUSS is Russ. They're one of the major makers of them.
Are they?
Yep. Trolls, man. Trolls. You're really cute. Hey, look, there's a bunny troll. That's pretty freaking cool. Where's that one, mate? That's a Russ. Look. Well, how much is that? What are the dolls?
$10.
10. Yeah, 5. Won't do 10. Only because it's got bunny ears. He's naked too. Yeah.
I'm here to sell, not to take home.
That's the truth.
Thank you.
And yeah, they're all packing up out there, man.
Are they?
Yeah. Not all, but some are. So I bought this because it was, see the Russ brand, and it's got bunny ears, and it's heading into Easter. We're going to have an Easter troll. I might make this a present for you, Scoob. Which a Scooby? Scooby's got a troll on his shoulder. We're trying to run away.
Timur's over there.
I see him. He's the... Where you going? Okay. Well, I was going to get a coffee. So... But she said there's a huge lineup or something. I can't even see what it is. Oh. They're cool, aren't they? Like they're both looking at you. Jeez, gollywogs everywhere today.
True. True.
Oh, that'll do us. All right, that'll do us. See you in the next one.